Welcome to the leading cashless payment solution for laundromats and route laundry. Say goodbye to the hassle of coins and hello to PayRange. PayRange lets your users pay for laundry with a simple and easy-to-use secure app. PayRange installs in seconds, and with no expensive hardware, low transaction fees, and no Wi-Fi needed, getting started with mobile payments couldn't be easier. From Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo to PayPal, PayRange brings more payment acceptance to your machines than any other payment solution. Staying in control of your business couldn't be easier. PayRange connects you to your business 24/7 from anywhere, with features like remote pay, Attendant Mode, loyalty programs, and real-time analytics for all your machines. Don't let payment be a limit to your sales. PayRange works with coins, or as a standalone payment solution. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of laundry businesses already enjoying PayRange. Visit payrange.com to learn more.